Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sibilia Angelica. My conclusion, it's all about the importance of business ethics and social responsibility. In the world of business, success is often measured by profit, margins, market share, and financial growth. However, in in recent years, there has been a growing uh, recognition of the importance of business ethics and social responsibility in achieving long-term sustainability and success. Business ethics refers to the moral principles and values that guide a company's behavior, while social responsibility refers to the company's obligation to act in the best interest of society and the environment. First is the benefits of business ethics and social responsibility. Companies that prioritize business ethics and social responsibility can reap numerous benefits, including enhanced reputation. A strong commitment to ethics and can enhance a company's reputation and brand image, leading to increased customer loyalty and retention. Second, increased trust. Ethical business practices can foster trust among stakeholders, including customers, employees, investors, and the wider community. Third, improve employee engagement. Companies that prioritize social responsibility and ethics tend to have higher levels of employee engagement, motivation, and retention. Fourth, long-term sustainability by by prior- prioritizing social and environmental responsibility. Companies can ensure long-term sustainability and reduce the risk of reputational damage. Competitive advantage. Pang 5, competitive advantage. Companies that prioritize ethics and social responsibility can differentiate themselves from competitors and establish a unique selling proposition. The consequences of neglecting business ethics and social responsibility. On the other hand, companies that neglect business ethics and social responsibility can face severe consequences, including reputational damage. Unethical business practices can lead to negative publicity, damaging a company's reputation and brand image. Second, financial losses. Companies that prioritize short-term gains over social responsibility may face financial losses in the long run, including fines, penalties, and lost business opportunities. Third, loss of customer trust. Companies that engage in unethical practices can lose the trust of their customers, leading to decreased sales and revenue. Employee dissatisfaction. Companies that neglect social responsibility and ethics may experience high levels of employee dissatisfaction, turnover, and absenteeism. Implementing business ethics and social responsibility. To implement business ethics and social responsibility, companies can take several steps, including developing a code of ethics. Companies should develop a clear code of ethics that outlines their values and principles. Second, providing training and education. Companies should provide regular training and education to employees on ethics and social responsibility. Third, establishing a corporate social responsibility or CSR program. Companies should establish a CSR program that outlines their social and environmental responsibilities. Engaging with stakeholders. Companies should engage with stakeholders including customers, employees, and the wider community to understand their expectations and concerns. 5. Monitoring and reporting. Companies should regularly monitor and report on their ethics and social responsibility performance. In my conclusion added, business ethics and social responsibility are essential components of a successful and sustainable business. By prioritizing ethics and social responsibility, companies can build trust, enhance their reputation, and ensure long-term sustainability. Companies that neglect ethics and social responsibility, on the other hand, can face severe consequences, including reputational damage and financial losses. By implementing ethics and social practices, companies can create a better future for themselves, their stakeholders, and the communities they serve. Ultimately, business ethics and social responsibility are not just moral obligation, but also essential business imperatives that can drive long-term success and sustainability. Thank you po.